Hi there, I'm Andrew. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of link titles and emails and discover why they're so important. First off, what exactly is a link title? Think of it as a helpful tag in HTML that provides extra details about a hyperlink. When you hover your mouse over a link, this tag often pops up as a little tooltip. Now, why are link titles so valuable? There are three key reasons. Additional context. They give you a sneak peek into where the link leads or what it's all about. Enhanced accessibility. For those who navigate with a mouse, these titles are like little signposts, making things clearer. Better user experience. When a link's text isn't quite self-explanatory, a well-crafted link title can fill in the gaps, enhancing your understanding and interaction with the email. Let's put this into action with a practical example. We'll use a promotional email from Ford for this demonstration. I'll send 2 test emails to my Gmail account, one with link titles and one without. This Ford campaign is nicely structured and packed with personalized details. All right, let's jump into it. We'll head over to Tools and click on Update Link Titles. Here, you can see all the links in the email along with their link titles. Hovering over a link reveals both the full URL and the anchor text, which, by the way, is different from the link title. Ford's team has already added link titles to some links, choosing the ones that made the most sense to them. Now, I'll send a preview to my Gmail. And it's sent. Next, let's strip away all those link titles. I'm quickly removing them one by one. After that, I'll update the campaign and send another preview. This time without the link titles. Both emails are now in my Gmail. Let's take a look. Notice in the email without link titles, when I hover over the links, nothing pops up. I'm pausing on each just to make sure. Now, switching to the email with link titles. Hovering over various links displays the link titles, offering a clue about where each link leads. See the difference? For instance, when I hover over Shop Accessories, the link title teases some great deals available today. This little nudge could motivate someone to click through and explore those deals. In summary, a well-thought-out link title can really boost engagement. It entices the customer to click and can significantly enhance the success of your email campaign, not to mention your email reputation. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of link titles. Until next time.